Hey guys, and we are back! And today we got new shirts. Yes.
So we got new shirts and they'll be up on the website soon. They say, food is my
love language.
Yep. So if anybody's read the 5 love languages, I thought he missed a big one with food. But these will be up on our website soon. But for now, we are making frittatas. And the cool thing about frittatas is you can put anything you want in them. Any meats or cheeses or vegetables or
you definitely
whatever.
Need eggs.
But we're going to talk about a few things that we need today before we get started. And today we're going to make a sausage and cheese frittata with some herbs mixed in. So these are the items we're going to need. We are going to need
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 eggs.
So we're going to do 6 eggs today. We have some local Italian sausage from a local farmer, not too far from our house. He makes some delicious sausage. We also use ground beef from the same farmer with some mushrooms mixed in from a local mushroom farmer. You can do ground lamb. You can do no meat at all. You can do whatever you want, but we're going to use a local Italian sausage that's made.
Even though if you're a vegetarian.
Yeah, if you're a vegetarian, you would nix that. But 6 eggs. We've got some milk. You can also use heavy cream. We like to mix in heavy cream every once in a while.
We got some kosher salt.
Yep, some salt.
And some coarse black pepper.
Yep, I like a larger ground black pepper. Sabrina picked the other add-ins, and she chose one of her favorite cheeses. Parmesan cheese. Smells wonderful. You can see it still has the rind on it, so like I'll save the rind and throw that in a soup. And then one of her favorite herbs. Thyme, yes. We also like basil, dill works. Sometimes we like spinach in there. Anyway, so we're gonna get started. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna brown our sausage, and we're gonna mix in some of the thyme, and then we'll show you how we assemble our frittatas. Okay, so let's get started.
Okay, now we have our sausage on the pan. It's cooking now, and now we will whisk all of our eggs, put in some milk, and put our salt and pepper.
Yep. Okay, so this is a great thing that you can have kids do. Sabrina's good at breaking eggs without getting shells in, but we'll see. So she's gonna put all 6 eggs in here, and while she's doing that, I'm gonna start grating some of the cheese.
And let's get working.
Yes.
Okay. And one thing, kids, if you don't know how to crack an egg, get a parent.
Yeah, but it's okay. You can practice.
Don't forget to use a napkin when you're done, because this egg yolk can get very yolky. Right, Mommy?
Yeah, it's messy, so be careful.
My grandma, which is my mom's mom, taught me how to crack an egg.
Yeah. And then while she's whisking the eggs, I'm gonna pour in a little bit of the milk. Like I said,
eggs are freezing.
grab a napkin. Like I said, hand me the milk. Like I said, you can use whole milk, half and half, heavy cream, kind of whatever you want. I like to use either whole milk or heavy cream. I don't like to
and also
use skim milk or half and half. You need body to it, so you gotta use.
You can also use vitamin D milk.
So you start whisking. I'm gonna add in a little milk. So for about 6, these are 6 large eggs. I would probably add no more than a half a cup of milk. But as you mix it together, you'll start to learn the consistency you need.
make sure to make the yellow stuff make sure to munch them up.
Yeah, you want to break all the yolks. Frittatas are a quick and easy thing for breakfast or for brunch.
Or for a little snack.
Yep. We like to make a lot of them and put them in the refrigerator because they can just be reheated in
And also
30 seconds.
You can give them to family.
Yep. So I'm going to put a little salt in Sabrina's pan so she can, there you go. Just sprinkle
And
that
make
all
sure
in.
to sprinkle all over.
Okay, so we got salt, pepper, we got the milk in. Okay, so now that that's done, we can get ready to assemble all our frittatas. So we decided to use, we like to use these little muffin tins or cupcake cups. One, because you don't have to use a muffin tin. You can use one, spray it to make sure they don't stick. But we like these because we can just stick them in a Ziploc bag, throw them in the refrigerator, and then grab one whenever we want one in the morning. So we'll just spray those with a non-stick cooking spray so they easily pop out. So we're gonna get that started for you and show you how we put these together.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Okay, we are done with our sausage. We put a little bit of garlic while it was cooking.
And some thyme.
Yep.
And we've sprayed our little cups to make sure they don't stick.
Nope.
So
Don't want that.
we put our egg mixture into a portable container so it's easy to deal with. And so now we are going to assemble our frittatas. Just to let you know, our oven is preheated to 425 degrees. So these little frittatas shouldn't take very long.
Nope.
And so this is how we assemble. We do meat first. Usually I like to let this cool off completely, but the power of TV. We're just going to use warm sausage. We're going to put a little sausage in each of them. And then
also
we're going to
put the egg mixture in there.
So about half full. And then Sabrina's going to sprinkle the top with
Some cheese.
some cheese and a little bit more thyme. Now, depending on how flavorful your meat is, you might need some more salt and pepper. We also like to finish ours with a little flaky salt for a little crunch. But so I'm gonna do, or Sabrina's gonna do meat in just a little bit at the bottom.
Cooking tip: make sure don't put a lot of egg mixture or it will go.
Yeah, it'll kind of flay over. That's good.
This will be
So we
good.
just want the bottom to have some meat. It'll kind of float up.
Just a little bit.
Yep. As it cooks.
We're
And
done.
now we're gonna sprinkle some cheese on top and a little bit of thyme.
We'll
and
save
like I
the rest of
said-
this for fries.
Yes.
Put this over here.
Okay.
Here you go.
So a little sprinkle of cheese.
Little bit of cheese. More cheese.
Yeah. On top, it'll melt and brown up.
If you don't really like Parmesan cheese, you can put in a different kind of cheese maybe.
Yeah, we like cheddar. We do goat cheese. We do spinach and goat cheese. Okay, so we're gonna put these in the oven at 425 degrees for anywhere, depending on how big you make them, anywhere from 7 to 15 minutes. So I like to give them a good 10 minutes before I start checking. Like Sabrina mentioned, they'll puff up. And then you just want to check them by making sure all the eggs are solid. And we'll test them out. Okay, so we're gonna get these in the oven.
Whoop, whoop. And we are back.
And we're done. So this is one of the frittatas. It came out really easily out of the cup because we sprayed it, remember? So these little suckers, like I said, you can put them in the refrigerator, and then next morning you pop one in the microwave for about 30 seconds, and they're ready to eat.
And I have some crackers that I will taste with.
Okay.
These are really yummy.
Sprinkle a little flaky salt, like I said, it's a little crunch at the top.
And look how long this one is. I'm not gonna taste it with this big one.
Yep, and you can see the sausage gets distributed in the.
Wait, would you like
Into
to
the
try a
eggs.
cracker with it?
No, thank you.
Okay.
Only put yours on them.
I have a small piece, just
Okay.
a small piece.
Here you go. And I'm just going to eat
These
it.
will taste good. 3, 2, 1, and taste. Mm.
Very, very yummy.
Tastes really good, especially with the cracker.
Yep. And like I said, if your sausage is seasoned enough, you really don't have to add much more.
No. Well, in case.
Yeah.
Just in case.
And you can taste the cheese. It's nice and sharp on top. And oh, so yummy. So like I said, this is really quick, easy breakfast or lunch or even dinner. So we'll put this recipe on our website. We'll also put our new shirts on our website in case you want to get one of our food is our love language t-shirts. And we will see you next time.
Bye. Bye. This is a